Let us understand the difference between management accounting and cost accounting. What differentiates management accounting and cost accounting? The management accounting has developed or originated as a separate area due to the modern needs of business enterprises, whereas cost accounting is related to industrial revolution in manufacturing sectors. There are new cost management techniques that have developed in due course for all sectors. So in origin you find difference between management and cost accounting. Management accounting has developed because of the needs of the modern business enterprises, whereas cost accounting is related to the industrial revolution. The second difference is objective. What is the objective of management accounting? It is to provide relevant information for planning and control functions of the management. That is the objective of management accounting. Whereas the objective of cost accounting is to record and ascertain the cost of producing the product or rendering service. The third difference comes in scope. The management accounting covers areas like financial accounting, cost accounting, budgeting, cash flow planning, etc. Whereas cost accounting is confined only to cost accounting. So what you understand is cost accounting is itself a part of management accounting. Number 4, the aspects that were covered. What are the aspects that were covered or discussed? Management accounting considers both qualitative and quantitative aspects, whereas cost accounting will consider only the quantitative aspects. Number 5 is based on nature of data. Nature of data that are used. The management accounting uses the past figures for the purpose of projecting into future. Some external data were also used, whereas cost accounting primarily considers only the internal data, which may be past and present figure. Number 6, regulation also differentiate management accounting and cost accounting. Management accounting is not covered by any specific rules and regulations, whereas there are certain cost accounting standards applicable to each and every country governing the cost accounting procedures.